You alright?
Yeah. How am I gonna get up?
Well, there's steps underneath the snow. Oh, oh, oh. Jeez, Judy. You okay?
I can do that too.
Come this way. It's slippery?
What?
It's slippery.
A little. Throw my sleigh.
This is a shovel. Now what?
I'm just gonna walk. Help! Daddy, pull my hand.
Reach! Come on! Oh! Come on! Oh, good! Whew. You made it.
Yeah.
Here's your shovel.
Thanks.
Get back to work.
Thanks, Daddy.
You're welcome. It's right there, Judy. You gonna go help her? You gonna slide? Oh! Did you find it?
No. Almost. I found it.
Throw it in the path. Keep it, don't put it in the snow. Keep it in the, well.
Beauty booty. I guess we're back to business.
I guess we are back to
No business like bow business.
There's no business like snow business.
Bill business.
Oh, alright, well, we're not making bows. We're shoveling snow, so I thought that would be appropriate.
I know. Grandma. But I am more.
Push her, Judy. Push her. It's rude. Where's her ball? You gonna make it?
No. I think I'm gonna pretty make it.
Come this way. Don't go that way. You made it.
I know.
Good job.
Climb over
Come this way. Don't go that way.
here.
Eula, don't go that way.
I know how to do.
Don't go that way.
Well, I like playing with snow.
I know, but that's a drop off right there, and there's rocks under there. I don't want you falling.
I'm not.
All right, fine. Let's see what happens. You're gonna get stuck. Be careful.
Wow, it is really deep.
No, just retreat. You all right?
I am.
Oh, how's that split? Whoop. 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 You can do it. Good. Oh. Ah! Do you need help? You alright? You got it? It's slippery, huh? Good. You got it. Oh. There you go. Good job. Want me to fix your hat? Yeah, pull it down. Here you go. You good? Clap some of that snow off your hands.
I can lick it.
No, don't lick it. Just clap it off your hands. Clap your hands together. Clap your hands together. Oh, for crying out loud. It's not a popsicle. That's gross.
Beauty! Beauty, want to play? Beauty! Beauty! Beauty, want to play with your ball?
She doesn't talk, you know. Throw it. Go get all that work to get the ball. She doesn't
You gotta help.
She can't see it. Show her the ball again. There you go.
Now Judy can't get over here.
She's fine. All right, I'm gonna get back to shoveling. Okay, you gonna play?